Hello guys, so today we will discuss about a new project which is Boom Crypto Market abbreviated as BCM. So what is BCM? As we all know, the crypto industry has growth is increasing very rapidly in some time. So the number of users are also increasing as many companies are implementing cryptocurrency as their payment method. So the growth rate is very high now and it will also increase in the future. So as in crypto market, DeFi, decentralized finance, the scam and the fraud rate is also very high, due to which many investors traders do not invest their money in DeFi. Because of this, the system reputation is very bad. So scam and fraud is the main problem which is faced by the many investors, traders and stakeholders, as we all know. So there must be many projects which show their trust and profits, but at the end what they do, they ran away with your money. Sorry for the notification. So here BCM comes with the aim to to provide you the main thing which is trust. Boom crypto market eliminates the trust issues, frauds and scams from the system. To do this, they have changed and improved the previous contracts they are providing, which is smart contract, on the basis of which transactions are done without any loss of single penny. So what is BCM is providing us? BCM is providing us a DeFi finance staking, on which we can do stakes and stakeholders with the using their utility token BCM. Marketplace they have provided us, and AMM tracking. So let's discuss about their staking facility. They have provided us much better options to do staking in their Boom crypto market platform, and the only thing that assure you the reward and the trust, that you will definitely are going to get your reward if you stake your coins in their website. As we all know what is staking, so we will not discuss about what is staking here. The next thing they provide is marketplace. The marketplace is the place where a user find two things: one, the information of the asset, and the second, sorry for the notification, and the second one is the buying and selling. As it is discussed here, is a decentralized service providing a platform for buyers and sellers of goods to interact without any interference from a third party. As the marketplace which is provided by the Boom crypto market, the third party or intermediaries are removed. So in this way, the price which is caused by the third party has been eliminated. So it is also in the favor of ourselves. What is AMM tracking? As we all know that AMM tracking is used by traders to do predictions of price values. So Boom crypto market also provides us AMM tracking, which is also improved to extent level. So they provide us DEX price charts, DApps token details, total and circulating supply. By using this, we can predict the amount and the, sorry for the notification here, you can predict the amount and what is the project is going to do in future. Everything we can do by using AMM tracking. So it also needs some expert things. Let's discuss about more. So here we can see that it is Binance Smart Chain blockchain. The platform built the Binance Smart Chain and also interacts with the Ethereum network. So this means that the Boom crypto market also deals with the Binance Smart Chain blockchain and also with the Ethereum based smart blockchain. So they also provide us cryptocurrency converter. If we select any coin here and here, put the amount here, and we can check the value here. What are their tokenomics? Tokenomics, we can see that staking is 25%, pre-sale is 25%, and many other things. The total supply is 1 lakh BCM, and hard cap is 900 BNB, soft cap is 300 BNB. So what are the features they are providing us buy and selling services, which is like this. So as we all know, in the pandemic, everybody is doing freelancing by staying their home. So Boom Crypto Market is also providing us an escrow system on which users, buyers can buy products and services sell from the sellers. For example, if you can see that we can sorry for the notification. If here we can see that which type of products and services we can buy from here are web and software development, data science, analytics, accounting and consulting, writing, translation, and you can find all of the required things here which you want to buy. So here you can also see that the full information or full time we place everything or the times. So ranking here is also very good. Like as on Fiverr, people get a review from others on the basis of which the trust is formed. So here we can see that the review is 554.9. So they also provide us membership plans which are here in the screen. You can also see full details on their website, which I will provide in the description link. So as we all understand what is Boom Crypto Market is focused now, which is escrow system, trust, and AMM tracking, staking, marketplace, and many other features which are already present on other platforms. Currency serve, like we can do BCM to fiat currency, fiat currency to BCM currency, and many other staking are, as I already told you. Trust, their main aim is to bring trust in the crypto industry. So currency watch, it's mean you can users can favorite DeFi or other cryptocurrency. The thing that I forgot here is that the Boom Crypto Market will also make a list of trusted platforms to invest and to liquidate your money. So in this way uh, it will also save your times, because when before you will roam and do search and invest your time to search the trusted platforms. But here Boom Crypto Market is reducing your time. As we can see that here is our roadmap. The journey starts from 2021. The phase 1 is minting and team formation, launch of listing platform. Boom Crypto Market is also listed on Goosewap. Here thread. You can see that here is also Goosewap and Pancakes. It is already listed on these two exchanges. Phase 2, you can see all their faces here. Audits and reports we can see here. Contact is here. Useful links for home, about us. So what is Boom Crypto Market? You can read from here, as I already told you. So there is no need to read. Connect the app, decentralized app. So exchanges exchanges are Binance. So here is the complete review, and my opinion is that Boom Crypto Market is really doing very great, as the trust is the main thing that we are all seeking. So they are focused on building the trust and providing all the features and improve the smart contract on the basis of which they will build our trust. So in my opinion, they will also growing very fast. Their IDO is already started. So if you guys want to buy, join their Twitter and follow the rules to join their pre-sales and many other sales they will also going to announce very soon. So if you guys like the video, please subscribe my channel, like the video and make a comment on my video. Okay, goodbye.